children, welcome to your English class. Today we shall continue the text of the play The Merchant of Venice of Act 2, Scene 6. The objectives of this video are: by the end of this video, you will be able to understand the explanation of lines 36 to 75 of Act 2, Scene 6 of The Merchant of Venice. You will be able to understand the references and literary devices used in the lines 36 to 75. Children, in the previous video, in Act 2, Scene 6, we find Greciano and Salarino. They complain that Lorenzo is getting late, whereas other lovers run before time to honor their commitments. Greciano says that one does not have so much appetite after his meal. He quotes so many examples to illustrate the eagerness and zest of the lovers in meeting their beloveds, as contrasted with the falling zest of the married persons. Now Lorenzo appears. Lorenzo tells his friends that he will wait for them when they would be making plans for their elopement with their beloveds. All of them wait near Shylock's house. They find Jessica in the balcony. She is now dressed in the clothes of a boy. Let us proceed further, children. Open your textbooks at page number 60. Lorenzo, heaven and thy thoughts are witness that thou art. Thy thoughts means your love and desire for me. Thou means your. Lorenzo says that God is his witness and Jessica knows that she is Lorenzo's love. Jessica, here catch this casket. It is worth the pains. I am glad this night you do not look on me, for I am much ashamed of my exchange. Pains means trouble. This means it is. Look on me means see me. Exchange means change of clothes. In these lines, Jessica says to Lorenzo to catch hold of the casket, which is worth the trouble. She is glad that it is night and that Lorenzo cannot see her, for she is much ashamed of this change of dress. But love is blind, and lovers cannot see the pretty follies that themselves commit. For if they could, Cupid himself would blush to see me thus transformed to a boy. Pretty follies mean small acts of foolishness. Themselves commit means they commit. Cupid refers to the god of love. Transformed to a boy means dressed as a boy. Here in these lines, Jessica says, but love is blind and lovers cannot see little acts of foolishness that they themselves commit. If they could see, even Cupid, the little god of love, would be embarrassed to see her dressed as a boy. Lorenzo, descend, for you must be my torch bearer. Descend means come down. In these lines, Lorenzo asks Jessica to come down as she must be torch bearer for him in the masquerade. Jessica, what must I hold a candle to my shames? They in themselves, good sooth, are too light. Why 'tis an office of discovery, love, and I should be obscured. Hold a candle to means hold up a light to reveal. Shames means shameful dress. They refers to shameful dress. Good sooth means indeed. Light is a pun here. Now children, what is pun? It refers to the fact that there are words which sound alike but have different meaning. Light here one refers to obvious, and light here means of light behavior. Jessica is ashamed of being dressed as a boy. This means it is. An office of discovery means it is a duty, that is holding up the torch to light up and reveal things. And I should be obscured means I ought to be concealed. Now in these lines, Jessica says surprisingly, for what should she hold a candle? As it was going to reveal her shameful appearance. The dress is very light and revealing. The truth is, she is behaving like a loose woman. The torch bearer is supposed to bring light and love, but she should be hidden away in the dark. Let us read the gist of the lines. In these lines, Lorenzo says that God is his witness and Jessica knows that she is Lorenzo's love. Jessica asks Lorenzo to hold the casket which is worth the trouble. She is glad that it is night and Lorenzo cannot see her, and further adds that love is blind and lovers are unable to see the small faults they commit. Even the god of love, Cupid, would be uneasy to see her in the boy's attire. Lorenzo asks her to come down and act as his torch bearer. Jessica feels awkward to show her shameful dress, which is quite exposing, and while being a torch bearer for Lorenzo, it would reveal her true identity. Let us proceed further. Lorenzo, so are you, sweet, even in the lovely garnish of a boy, but come at once. For the close night doth play the runaway, and we are stayed for at Bassanio's feast. Garnish means costume. Close night means night that hides our secret. Doth play the runaway means is slipping away. Stayed means awaited. Now, children, in these lines, Lorenzo says to his beloved Jessica that she is hidden even in the charming dress of a boy, but ask her to come down quickly for the secret night which is already passing away, and they are expected to be at Bassanio's banquet soon. Jessica, I will make fast the doors and gilt myself with some more ducats and be with you straight. Make fast means lock. Gilt myself means enrich myself. Straight means at once. Jessica says that she will lock the doors and bring with her some more ducats, and then she will join him immediately. Here Jessica takes an exit. Greciano. Now by my hood, a Gentile and no Jew. By my hood means upon my word. Greciano's masking clothes include a hood. This seems to be a case of swearing by his hood. Elizabethans would swear by various parts of their dress. Children, Gentile is a pun. What is a pun? This we have just discussed. It refers to the fact that there are words which sound alike but have different meaning. Gentile refers to a gentle lady and non-Jew. In these lines, Greciano swears by his hood that she is a Christian and not a Jew. Let us read the gist of the lines. In these lines, Lorenzo tells Jessica that her identity is hidden even in this charming disguise of a boy. He asks her to come down quickly for the night which is already slipping away, and they are expected to be at Bassanio's banquet soon. Jessica locks all doors and brings with her some more ducats. Greciano swears by his hood that Jessica is a gentle lady, that means a Christian and not a Jew. Let us proceed further. Lorenzo, beshrew me, but I love her heartily, for she is wise if I can judge of her. And fair she is if that mine eyes be true. Beshrew means curse me if you like. Heartily means with all my heart. If I can judge of her means if I judge her correctly. Be true means see truly, or we say don't deceive me. Lorenzo says that he will be cursed if he does not love her dearly. She is wise if he is judging her right. She is beautiful if his eyes do not cheat him. And true she is, as she hath proved herself. And therefore, like herself, wise, fair, and true, shall she be placed in my constant soul. True means faithful and constant. Like herself, wise, fair, and true means like her image, as a wise, fair, and true lover she shall be. Constant soul means loyal heart. Now here, Lorenzo says, Jessica is truthful, for she has proved herself to be so. Therefore, with her three qualities of wisdom, beauty, and truthfulness, she will be placed in his loyal heart forever. Jessica enters. What art thou come? On, gentleman, away. Our masking maids by this time for us stay. What art thou come means, well, have you come? On means come on. Away means let us be away. Masking mates means our friends who are taking part in the mask. For us stay means must be waiting for us. In these lines, Jessica comes out and Lorenzo exclaims that here comes Jessica. He addresses her as gentleman and asks her to come on. Their companions in the mask are waiting for them. He goes out with Jessica and Salarino. Exit Jessica and Salarino. Enters Antonio. Let us read the gist of the lines. In these lines, Lorenzo says that may he be cursed if he does not love Jessica dearly. She is wise if he is not wrong in his judgment, and beautiful if his eyes do not cheat him. She has proved herself by being truthful. Hence, with the three qualities of wisdom, beauty and truthfulness, she will be placed in his heart forever. Jessica enters and Lorenzo asks her to leave as their companions in the mask are waiting for them. Antonio, who's there? Griciano, Signor. Antonio, Signor means used as a title equivalent to Mr. Antonio, fie, Griciano, where are all the rest? 'Tis 9 o'clock, our friends all stay for you. No mask tonight, the wind is come about. Bassanio presently will go aboard. I have sent 20 out to seek for you. Fie means shame. Stay means wait. Wind has come about means has changed direction. Presently means now. Aboard means onto his ship. 20 refers to 20 men. Seek means look. In these lines, Antonio humiliates Griciano and asks about everyone's whereabouts. He says it is 9 o'clock and all their friends are waiting for them, and then informs them that there is no mask tonight because the wind is blowing in the right direction. Bassanio will soon sail on his ship. He has sent 20 men out to look for Griciano and others. Griciano, I am glad on't. I desire no more delight than to be under sail and gone tonight. On't means of it. I desire no more delight than to be under sail and gone tonight means I want no other pleasure than to sail along with him from here tonight. In these lines, Griciano says that he is glad to hear that Bassanio will sail on his ship. He wants no other pleasure than to be sailing along and gone from this place tonight. Let us read the gist of the lines. In these lines, Antonio enters and humiliates Griciano and asks about everyone. He says that it is 9 o'clock and all their friends are waiting for them. He tells them that there is no mask tonight because the wind is favorable. Bassanio will soon sail on his ship, and he has sent 20 men to look for Griciano and others. Griciano says that he is very happy as there is no other happiness than to sail along with him from here tonight. So children, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Do the work sent to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you children.